Happy birthday, Wana, e mongo nei. Whiwhi mai ki whelewea, mo manga whaua I whale. Ka tō manakai, tō hana, tō sisi, tō dumplings. Just recording. Whakaalo whātu makau. E aho nei, e aho whanau nephew Haku. What's up, Hector? Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
I just turned 16 on Monday, so yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah. What'd you get up to? What are we doing for your birthday today?
Today, family's gonna come around, gonna have some food. All the adults probably gonna maybe get drunk. But otherwise, not too much.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that, buddy.
Yeah, of course.
Good to take family around.
Always.
Nice. What did your parents get you for your birthday? Was that a secret? Few bundles?
Disclosed.
You still look fit, bro. You got a good base. Yeah. Alright, we got started the barbie. We got the tauhana. Tunu paku e tauhana e mongo nei. Whiwhi mai ki whelewea, mo manga whaua I whale tau kese Haku. Here's the family.
Happy birthday.
Can you say something?
Happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday, Hector, and it's gonna be cool to see you driving for the first time at 16. And yeah, happy birthday.
Okay, whakaalo whātu. Just picked up my daughter from gymnastics.
Yeah.
So we're going back to the party.
We had to do lots of conditioning.
Indy had to do a lot of conditioning. She's getting fitter and fitter. But yeah, we've got to go back. Hopefully the music isn't playing too much because the video gets copyrighted if I'm playing songs, too many songs. So here we go. Here comes Hugo. There's Mr. Hugo. Whakaoe. Here we are in the party.
Wait, whose birthday is it?
Hector. Please, happy birthday.
You never told me that.
That's okay. Oh, got Dave. Any words, Dave?
Happy birthday, Hector. Good wish you a day, man, brother. Thank you for awesome cousin you gave me. Keep it awesome. Happy birthday, bro. I love you. Peace.
Whakaoe. We got tō manakai, tō hana, tō sisi, tō dumplings. Just recording. What do we got going on here, bro?
We're just finishing off this chair.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. How was the message?
Finishing off this chair.
Let's go.
Yeah. Tā e tau ngofua mai ke no nofua mo tōu. Ke nofua ke kai ka ma sifa. Whiha e te tongi. Eilo ai. Te tongi e whakarofa. Yeah, Dave. So we got Dave here. Hello. Whiha e tau. How old are you now, Dave?
Funny, what's my age, John?
15, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just come for over next time. Come. Just don't worry.
Yeah. Next week, yeah, don't worry. All good. Next week, Sunday.
Yeah, next Sunday. Just spend play. Come for the food.
Oh, yeah. Tā mote na fo. Ofisi. I toki. Oh, yeah. I toki. Yeah.
Hey,
Alright.
so good shot for Peter. Big man involved.
Yeah.
Keep it up. People will be looking for next years.
So it's Peter's birthday tomorrow,
Oh,
but gonna have a umu for him next week.
ooh, nice.
Alright, hang on, Dave.
Happy birthday, Hector. Thanks for inviting us and have a good night.
Whakaoe. Hey, yo, what's hang on here? Happy birthday for Hector.
No.
Whakaoe. Dave, number 3.
I'm doing it so hard.
Oh yeah, tause Meleni, Hele Meleni, Tawala. Yeah, manongi aho nei, manongi e pale e peito.
It's good house, man.
Katale matolo.
Let's go see now.
Hoko sister lo matolo ko Missy Gus.
Gus. Who's Gus?
Oh, Dave.
Prepared the cake, looks wonderful, your decorations look fantastic, Oreos look really authentic. But we're all here to celebrate the birthday of Hector, so let's welcome Hector up to the... So, as you know, friends, family, we all party, we can have a party for families, so we wanted to put something small together, just to celebrate the moment. Hector turned 16. Push Hector around. Not that I do, but yeah. Just really proud, Hector, to have you around. You help a lot around the house. It's really nice. Before it was just me managing everything. Now it's two of us. So that's really good to see as well. Thank you very much, Hugo. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your birthday amongst family. And I'll pass it over to you.
Today, to celebrate my birthday. Appreciate all you guys being here, and just hope you guys are all well, and yep, that's about it.
Say happy birthday, Hector. It's gonna be cool to see you finally driving. Hope you didn't crash us.
Hey, don't jinx it.
Yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Happy birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Hector. I wish you all the best. Thank you for being a good cousin. I love you. Happy birthday. Yeah, wish you all the best.
Go it when you're ready.
Actually, ready to go. Action.
Happy birthday, Hector. Thank you for being a good cousin to me, and hope you have a good birthday party. And
Look at Action smashing.
Go it.
Monuine ho whanau, Hector. Happy birthday. I hope that you have an amazing birthday. And you're such a cool cousin. And I hope that you enjoy your life and get that license. And yeah, God bless you. And happy birthday.
Whakaoe. O motolu. Rio atu ki kaina. Whakulahi, Dave. Tō leo ke wheleweia. Homolahi e kai, homolahi e leongi, tau tūtala. Homo e takalo. We're gonna share. Yeah. Tō e la. O mai e. O uli. Haia. Happy birthday, Hector. Wishing you a happy life for your 16th. Looking forward to what you become. Koe kia! Koe kia, Dave. Hiya. Okay. Monuina, thanks for watching. Thank you to all the supporters, all the YouTube followers. Kia monuina, tō wheleweia.